For thousands of years, the walls of ancient Egypt held secrets in plain sight. Beautiful yet impenetrable hieroglyphs, standing as silent sentinels of a lost civilization. These weren't mere decorations. They were the keys to understanding one of humanity's greatest civilizations. Enter the Rosetta Stone, humanity's first real breakthrough. This unassuming slab of granite changed everything. When Jean-François Champollion decoded its messages in 1822, he didn't just read ancient Egyptian, he brought an entire civilization back to life. Today, we're pushing the boundaries even further. Artificial intelligence and 3D scanning technology are revealing secrets that have remained hidden for millennia. Every symbol, every carved line tells a story, from grand royal declarations to intimate personal prayers. Take the Book of the Dead, not just a religious text, but a passport to the afterlife. Each carefully chosen hieroglyph guided souls through the perils of the underworld. These weren't just words, they were magic made manifest. The legacy of these ancient symbols lives on. From modern art galleries to digital design, hieroglyphs continue to captivate and inspire. They remind us that some mysteries once solved only become more fascinating. In decoding these ancient messages, we haven't just translated words. We've opened a window into the human story itself. The hieroglyphs still speak to us across the millennia, their voices as clear and compelling as ever.